Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract rare and zip archives on Asus Rog Phone 7. To do this, we'll need to open a rare app I shown you previously on how to download. Now locate your files and click on them. Then select this arrow pointing up button to enter extraction options. This way you will unpack entire archive. Here we can, as I mentioned, customize the options, but it's not necessary. We can leave it as it is, and to change the designation, click on browse and change it like that. Let's go for a download folder. When everything is set, click on OK and your files will be extracted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.